Okay.
Do you need to sit?
So
Do you want to, yeah, you can be sitting. Do
You wanna
want
sit
sit
down?
down at the?
You can do it however you want.
Well, you know what, I'll stand and we'll just do it like this.
Okay, and do we need a topic?
We need a topic about
Cooking.
cooking. Sounds wonderful.
All right.
And then they're allowed to diverge off of cooking into anything that the phrase takes them.
Oh, we are.
Yeah.
I don't see the audience again then, do I? I'm not asking them anything again. We're going one round on this?
We're doing one round, then we're gonna have, if Jackie's not in, she's the one that says
Then a person
stop.
from the audience can throw out another suggestion for the topic.
I have to tell them that then.
Well, you're in the middle of it.
Or Jackie.
So
No.
you're choosing a character too to be in the midst of a
Yes.
cooking. So
Yes.
it could be, cooking could be a mother and daughter cooking in the kitchen or a cooking show or whatever.
Yes.
And the two of you decide that as you start.
Right.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, one of us should change the topic, right? That's gonna get out
Well,
of
that's
control.
after they're done, right? What they're gonna be reading from that, so when two more people go up, it'll be a different topic.
Oh, you don't change in the middle?
So when your partner reaches for a sentence, do you also?
No, it's just as you come up. Like, for example,
Oh, you pick it and then you,
Yeah.
at some point, you
Yeah.
look
Sleight
at
of hand, pick it up, and you
Okay.
weave it into your
Right.
conversation.
And
Yeah.
and it kind of, it needs a setup like, and then so-and-so said, or,
right.
Yeah.
okay. But anyway, do it.
Or like-
But you don't have your papers, do you, or do you?
They're up there.
Okay.
Oh, I thought you got them when you first went up.
Okay. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Well Burnt. It's our cooking show for people who don't know how to cook and probably don't want to, and but know how to order from the drive-through. All right. So today we've got a special guest chef, Mr. Guillermo
No Italian. No Italian. Yes.
and he's going to tell us all about Italian cooking.
Hey, my wife is Italian, no? I got the accent from her too.
Oh, good.
She's
Good.
very good. And when she cooks, I'm not allowed in the kitchen.
That's interesting because I was once told when I went into the kitchen,
Oh, sole mio! That's what she said.
the jam is so sweet.
It is. She makes it for herself every night with chives and onions and that's the other thing. Bad breath. Yes.
Uh-huh. Well, and that could be a problem, I would think. Isn't that right?
The more of a problem. I am pregnant with your baby.
Okay.
That's two. That's no many. It's no life. I want to cook with them when they get older, but not now. Fingers.
I don't get.
They are beautiful though.
This is true. We make beautiful babies, burnt toast maybe, but beautiful babies. Yes. I always say when I look at my beautiful baby, can you fix this?
I thought we were supposed to do that when they're first born. It's not like a puppy, you know. You can't just fix them. Why? I don't know why they call it fixed, because that's actually broken. If you think about it. Maybe I should think about it.
I'm gonna have to think
How
about it.
dry I am.
Oh, maybe you'd like
How
some more?
dry I am.
Maybe you'd like some
If
more?
I don't go to the bathroom, I'm going to be dry.
One of the things we talk about here on this cookie show is wine, and one of the things
Yeah.
we say is, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's Chardonnay.
How it tries to fly with one wing. The bird is good.
I
I
don't
make
know.
a bird soup with wine.
Bird soup. I haven't
I
had
do.
that before.
You're going to
Is
have
it
it tonight.
good? Is it good? What do the critics say about that?
Forget the critics. What do they know? They don't eat anyway.
That's 3 minutes.
But you know, I like hot dogs because if you take me out to the ball game, you know, the Italians created the hot dog. They didn't mean to, but it just happened.
I see.
Yes. And
Okay.
the condiments that's from the Pope. Those are directly from the Pope. You gotta have it.
You know what?
The
You know what-
Wait.
You know what the Pope said?
News topic?
Yeah.
And
The
you
Pope
just
said-
keep going, because they
She-
keep going and going and going.
No,
No.
it's
Oh.
been 3 minutes.
It's
Yeah.
been-
We're eventually gonna end this. The Pope said she forfeited
Well, you
her
don't have to-
inheritance
wait,
in
wait.
order to
Oh,
keep
I-
the
Do
secret.
we switch people and just keep the
Yeah.
slips there?
The
All right.
ones that haven't been used can
Right.
stay there.
Leave the ones.
The chair ones.
And now,
Okay,
How do you end
How do
this
we
show? How do you
transition
end
it?
this scene? Like you bow or something?
When the
she
slips,
read a
when the slips are
line.
half gone.
She read a line, and that was when we would end it on a good line.
Okay.
What did you say?
okay, so, right, so the Pope says, let's go back to the Pope, I like that. She forfeited her inheritance in order to keep the secret and will never tell the secret, right?
Okay, and then ta-da, that's the end.